People always say that it is hard to start exercising. It's hard to track your calories. It's hard to make sure you're eating right. They always tell you how hard it is. But the sad thing is, it's way harder to everyday live, avoiding mirrors, because every time you look in a mirror, all you see is a fat, ugly person, and you're like, try avoid seeing yourself. I mean, I don't have any awesome before pictures because I used to avoid pictures. I used to avoid mirrors, anything that would show me what I looked like. It's hard to live like that. It's hard to watch dads play with their daughters and kids running around, and you were overweight, thinking, you know what, I could never do that because I'm too out of shape and too overweight to do that with them. And then you realize, you know what, it's actually easier to exercise and to become the kind of dad, kind of person that can play with their kids, that can run around and still have fun even though you're older, as opposed to spending the rest of your life not being able to physically do what you want just because you don't want to track what you eat. So trust me, it's easier to start than it is to not begin, because you will regret it.